You've spoken before about the effect of brown fat. So I wondered if you could tell me what brown fat is and how it relates to cold, how it changes with regards to cold.
Right. Brown fat is fat, but it's fat that has as its function the production of heat. So the brown fat cells have lots of mitochondria, which are the little furnaces in our cells, which produce energy. So the unique thing about the brown fat is the brown fat can metabolize fuel, can burn the fuel without having to do work. So, our muscles, if we're doing work, they produce a lot of heat. But the muscle, if you're not doing anything, the muscle isn't producing heat other than at a very basal level. But the brown fat, when it's activated, it is just burning fuel to produce heat. So in animals that are exposed to cold, and for example, hibernating animals, they may have pads of brown fat around critical organs, like the heart, for example, and in the area where blood is flowing to the brain, so that they can actually maintain, under cold stress, they can maintain the temperature of these critical organs. Now, humans were thought not to have brown fat other than as infants, newborns, but now it's recognized that the reason we thought humans didn't have brown fat is that in humans, the brown fat is dispersed, it's distributed. It's not in discrete pads of tissue. Yeah. And there's now belief that indeed, individuals which have more brown fat are the individuals that you think of as being able to eat and eat and eat and not gain weight. And individuals with less of this dispersed brown fat tissue are individuals who frequently complain about being cold, and they even look at food and they will put on weight. So